Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell about how to host your website on your PC. So first of all, tell you what things you need to host your website on local PC. So first things he is you have a jam server, and second things you have a open VPN. So these two things you need to host your website. So okay, so now I'm going to tell you how to do these things. So let's get started. Hello and welcome to my channel. So now I'm going to Google Chrome, and here type jam download and search on Google, and here download jam. Click on link, and now it's loading. And okay, so here download 64-bit. Click on this and download the jam server, and it's download starting. Okay, so now it's done, download done. Then now I'm installing. Okay, so now allow to access, and here down its installing process is starting, so it takes some time. And okay, so now it's done, it's installed jam. And okay, I'm going to click on finish, and here start save. And now I'm going to start Apache, and so here you can watch the port. And so now going to browser, and okay, so go to type localhost. So here opening the your server is successfully started. Okay, so now okay, so that's good. Okay, so now I'm going to my website, and this is my website. This website host on my PC. So let's get started. So here is the one of the port forward, so we can forward this port. And so now I'm going to download OpenVPN, and here community downloads, and scrolling down, and here I download OpenVPN install 2.4.8 Win 7. Check, it's already downloaded. So now I'm okay, and click on open. Okay, so now it's starting installations. So going to next button, agree and install. Okay, so let's try install. After that, okay, so now it's complete to install OpenVPN. And after that, I'm going to one website is named Portmap. Click on and search on Google, and here I'm clicking and go to register. And here this one form is open, so I fill this form. So here I'm writing mm, web host, and here type your email. So I'm typing email. Okay. Type password and confirm password, and scroll and go agree and agree to terms of service, and here I'm not robot and click on register button. So here one message you have sent you activation link, so please check your mail. So now I'm going to open my mail. So here type my mail ID and log in here. So now it's loading. So okay, so now I got a mail, and here I'm clicking on this link. So this link is open in new window, close. Okay, so now it's opening and close my mail ID, and here create a new configuration. So now click on here, and it's opening a form. So here paste the web host and type OpenVPN, because we are using OpenVPN, and prototype use TCP select, and go to generate button, and here processing start. Yeah, it's generated. So click on here download button. So now it's here downloaded. So you can see here downloaded. So in folder. Okay, so now we get the configuration, and after that I start my OpenVPN. Okay, so now it's right click on here and click on import file. Okay, so now click and here select your configuration, those you download, and click on open, and file is successfully imported. And after that going to show your configuration and connect on here. So now it's connecting, so it takes some time, 5 to 10 seconds, and now it's connected. And here assign your IP. This is your okay, so now it's close on here and go to mapping rule. To mapping rule and create a new rule. So click on here. So let's take, so now its configuration is web host and open. It's here protocol use HTTP, and here forward your port. So this is a port you are showing on here in Jam server. So here you can choose, and here type and click on create button, and okay, so this is domain, so you can choose this domain portmap.io, and click on create button. Okay, so now it's successfully created your config. So you can see here So now I'm checking this. So go into command prompt and here type IP. Okay, so here write ipconfig. Now I'm writing here ipconfig, and after that you see here your local IP 192.168.43.232. So now it's copy and go to browser and paste this IP, so we can check it's working or not. So now it's totally working, and here my folder is opening project and click on. So now it's running on my local network. So now I'm going to this. Okay, so now I'm checking to our static IP. So here you can check this is my static IP. So paste on browse and go here. So it's also perfectly work. So now it's perfectly work on my website is open here. So now this is created this link. So this is link everywhere you can use and open your website through your PC. So now clicking over here and you can see here this is my website is opening, and it takes some time because it's coming to through the network. So now it's perfectly going on, and after that I'm sorry. Okay, so go to home button. Yeah, okay, so this is or I show you in my PC, but now I'm showing my phone also. So here I'm type those link. So here I'm click on and type okay. So now it's one error come, this not be reached because this is not a link, this is different link. So now I'm typing here. Okay, so now I'm typing web host and after hyphen and after okay 20021 okay, and dot port map IO port map IO dot IO. Okay, so I'm selecting and here I give to 246 and click. So now it's taking requesting. So now it's take 1 or 2 seconds and it's going. Okay, so now it's loading in desktop. So now it's open on my phone also, and here I can access my website. So now I'm clicking on project. So here I'm opening my website. So now it's open my website here. You can watch see here. So that's all about. So you can go and host your website to your own PC. So you don't require any other hosting things. So now it's thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.